Stop the info overload. Simple investing for rookie investors. Are you drowning in investing advice? One video says buy cryptos. Another says only invest in index funds. Everyone claims to have the answer, and you're left confused, overwhelmed, and unsure where to even begin. If that's you, this video is your relief. Watch until the end, and I'll give you a simple, clutter-free, step-by-step plan for investing as a beginner. No hype, no noise, just clarity. Let's start with the real problem. The internet is flooded with advice. Some of it is great, but most of it, conflicting, complicated. And here's the truth. Beginner investors don't need 100 strategies. You don't need to trade daily or watch financial news all day. You just need a simple system and the discipline to follow it. That's what we'll build today. Let's cut through the noise. Investing is not about timing the market, following social media hype, or getting rich overnight. Investing is about buying quality assets, holding them long-term, and letting compound growth do the heavy lifting. Simple, elegant, effective. To move from overwhelmed to in control, here are 3 beginner mindsets to adopt. First, think long-term. You're not here to win today. You're building wealth for the next 10 to 30 years. Second, less is more. A few smart investments can beat dozens of random ones. Third, systems over strategies. Instead of chasing tactics, build a system you can repeat, even when life gets busy. Overwhelm often starts with unclear intentions, so let's clarify yours. Ask yourself, why do I want to invest? Is it to retire comfortably? To buy a home? To stop living to paycheck? For example, you might say, I want to invest $50 per month to build $100,000 in 20 years. Having this written down gives you purpose and filters out irrelevant advice. To simplify your financial life, use this elegant 3-layer system. The first layer is safety. This includes an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses and insurance for health, liability, and income protection. The second layer is growth. This involves monthly investments into long-term assets and starting with low-cost ETFs. The third layer is fun. Allocate 10 to 15% for experiences, hobbies, or small risks. This system gives you freedom to live today while preparing for tomorrow. Choose a beginner-friendly investment app that takes the stress out of the process. Top platforms in Europe include Pepperstone, Flatex, Bitpanda, and eToro. Look for low fees, ETF access, auto-invest options, and a user-friendly interface. Once you've signed up, verified your ID, and connected your bank, you're ready. Don't start with 10 stocks and a crypto coin. Start with one simple ETF that gives you global exposure. Recommended beginner ETFs include the S&P 500 ETF, which covers the top 500 US companies, the MSCI World ETF, which covers global companies, and the Vanguard FTSE All World, which covers developed and emerging markets. Invest $25 to $100 per month consistently in just one of these. That's it. You're officially an investor. For example, $100 per month into an S&P 500 ETF for 25 years equals $100,000 plus, with an average 8% annual return. Now that you're set up, automate everything. Set up monthly auto deposits and auto invest into your ETF. Check in just once every few months. Ignore market dips. Don't panic sell. Don't jump on trends. You've built a system, and systems beat emotions every time. Here's a minimalist portfolio setup perfect for rookie investors. Allocate 80% to a global ETF, such as the MSCI World. Then, allocate 10% to a cash buffer and 10% to fun or speculative investments, which are optional and could include crypto, tech, or personal picks. Simple, balanced, no spreadsheets needed. Let's recap how to stop the info overload and actually start investing. First, focus on one clear goal. Second, use the 3-layer money system. Third, choose one beginner platform. Fourth, start with one ETF. Fifth, automate and ignore the hype. No more chaos, just clarity. If you found this video helpful, take a second to like the video, subscribe to Online Investment Compass, and share this with someone who feels lost in all the investing advice. Also, watch our video on Online Stock Investing for Beginners. Start strong. This beginner-friendly guide demystifies the world of online stock investing and sets you up for success from your first trade. Comment below, what part of investing confuses you the most? I'll personally reply to help simplify it. This is Happy Kapoor from Online Investment Compass, where we bring calm to the chaos of your financial journey. See you in the next video.